Here at WFL, we see a lot of movement on the market in the last couple of years, especially in the energy industry, aerospace industry, and of course also in the security and defense industry. The industry in general is facing strong headwinds, as many of the visitors here might have noticed on the show. I would like to say that WFL is maybe not as affected as other companies. We are having a great year again. We are superseding our targets for the year. We got a couple of new products coming to the market, one of which we are introducing here at the show. And in general, I think things are going pretty well. I think WFL is focusing strongly on its core value, clamp once, machine complete. We are further developing our automation section in the business. We are focusing on complete machining cells, load the raw part into an automated cell and get a finished part out. Lights out factory, things like that are the big buzzwords nowadays. Everybody in Europe and all over the planet, I guess, is struggling with qualified personnel to operate the machines, and we are tackling this problem by automizing processes as much as possible. Now, I think our future looks quite bright. We have invested a lot in the last couple of years. We are growing our business. We have founded new subsidiaries globally, like in Canada and Italy this year. We are hiring new people, and I think our outlook is fairly positive.